in today's lesson, we will be able to differentiate the numbers like what are factors and what are multiples, what are common factors and what are common multiples. I know it's really a very basic topic, but it will be very helpful to understand the different types of numbers further. Okay, what are factors? So factors is basically a number which is completely divisible by any other number. Or you can say if we are having an example like 2 times 3 is 6. तो ये जो 2 है, that 2 is called factor. ये factor होगा. That 3 will also a factor होगा. But that 6 will be a product, means a result of 2 and 3, multiplication of 2 and 3, right? Or in other words, you can say it is called a multiple. So basically, factors and multiples both are interlinked, right? Once you can say 4 times 5, it is 20. 20 is a multiple. You can say 20 is a multiple. कि किस टेबल में 20 आ रहा है? तो in table 4 it comes, so that will be a factor. And in table 5, so that will be a factor, right? So here you can say multiplication is involved also. But as per this definition, as I told you, a factor is a number that divides into another number exactly without leaving a remainder. So let's understand this. If I say there is a 20 and 20 should be divisible, completely divisible by 4. Completely divisible by 4 means what? Means without leaving a remainder. So in table 4, at 5, 20 comes. So we will do it and we can observe there is no remainder. Nothing is left over. So you can say there is no remainder. So that's how we can say this divisor and that quotient both are factors of this number 20. Got it? Okay. Let's have some more examples to understand. For example, I'm having a number 8. I will take a start with very small example 8. So let's start finding its factor. I will start finding with the table 1. 1 times 8 is giving me 8. Okay. And in table 2, it comes at 4. So 2 4s are 8. In table 3, 8 comes. No. Then move to the next table. It will be 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. How do you know कि आपके तमाम factors निकल आए हैं? As you will get a repeated number. देखिए 2 times 4 is 8 and here you are getting 4 times 2. So if you are writing 2 times 4 or 4 times 2, both are giving you the same answer, right? So as per the rule, आप क्या करोगे? You will stop working here. You will stop finding further factors. आपको कहीं भी आगे अगला नंबर चेक करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. So it means you have already find the all factors of this number 8. Clear? So I will write here factors of number 8. So I will write in order. Remember that it should be in order. Okay. So how can I write in order? You can write in order in this form. You will start writing from 1, 2, 4, and 8, right? I will write 1, I will write 2, I will write 4, I will write 8. Let's find the factors of, there is another example. Let me write here, example, factors of, all factors of 60, all factors of 60. So I will start finding the factors with 1. 1 times 60 is 60, right? Okay. Because 60 is completely divisible by 60, obviously, at 1. Okay. Now, in time, 2 times what is giving me 60? So there are two ways. You can divide it. 60, 2, 3 times 6, basically 30 times 60, right? Without remainder, you can see this 60 is completely divisible by this number 2. Or you can go and do a short division, or you can say with the method of cancellation. You can just simplify it. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and 0 will come as it is. So you can write here 30 is giving you 60. Okay, now 3 times, if I want to divide it again with 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 twos are 6, and 0 comes as it is. So 3 times 20 is 60. So basically what is going on, you can just observe this 60 is completely divisible by 3, right? Completely divisible by 3 means without any remainder. There is no remainder. right? Okay, now I will check the table 4. Now you can go and check the table 4. In table 4, 4 ones are 4. Okay, 6 minus 4 is what? 2. You can carry down this 0 here. And in table 4, you know, 5 at 5, 20 comes. So you can just divide it. 4 5s are 20. And you can just observe there will be no remainder because 20 minus 20 is giving you 0. Nothing. No remainder here. So it means no remainder is telling you exactly or completely divisible, right? Completely divisible. Okay, so you can write here, let me erase that. You can write here 4 times what? 4 times this 15 is 60. So the both will be the factors of 60. Okay, now we will move next in table 5. We will check the table 5. Acha, right now I'm telling you the both methods. You can go with the simplification method. You should go with the simplification method because you are in the senior grade now. It's a, like you can say, okay, this is what you need to improve your methodology. Or you can go with this one also. All right. I'm not saying that you cannot go with this one, but you can go with this one also. Okay. Now I will go. I will use a short method, means cancellation wala method. So I will divide this 60 by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. अब यहाँ से 6 के nearest 5 ones are 5. 1 carry हो गया, तो it becomes 10, right? So I say 5 twos are 10. तो मतलब 5 के table में 12 पे 60 comes, right? Any problem till here? Okay. How do we know? Okay, we need to stop finding the further factors because we did not get any repeated number yet, right? So we will continue. I'll go after 5, I'll go with table 6. 6 times 10 is 60. That is really very easy, right? Now 11 times, no, 11 pe to nahi jayega. Now it becomes, you can say, 1 minute. Now 12. 12 times 5 is 60. As you can observe, we are getting a repeated factors here. Yes, exactly. So we need to stop here. At this time, we need to stop finding the further factors of this number. That means we have calculated all factors of this number 60. Okay. तो हम यहाँ पे factors लिखेंगे, all factors of number 60, and we have to write in order. It should be in order. Order कौन सा? Smallest to the greatest. Order कौन सा? Smallest to the greatest. Remember this. Okay. So as you can just observe, यहाँ से count करना शुरू करेंगे तो ये नीचे को आ जाएगा, 1 से लेके नीचे को 6 तक, और ये नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक smallest to greatest. So you can even write in this order. Okay. I will start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 10, 12, 15. 10, 12, 15. 20, 30, and 60. 20, 30, and 60. Okay. Okay, why it is important to go in order? Remember one thing, because ये हमें एक rainbow देता है. 1 times 60 is giving you 60, the same number back, right? Same as 2 times 30 is giving you 60. 3 times 20 is giving you 60. 4 times 15. 5 times 12. 6 times 10. Okay, so that's why it is really important to write in order. Okay, we know how to calculate or find the factors. Now we will find the common factors. We will find the common factors. How can we find the common factors? What is meant by the word common? Common का क्या मतलब होगा? Means a factor which is similar in both numbers. For example, we are having a number 8 and 6, and we have to find the factors, common factor of 8 and 6. So for this purpose, we need to find the factors of 8 first, then 16. Okay, 8. 1 times 8. Okay. 1 times 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Again, I'm telling you, you can go with the table method, means multiplication wala method, or you can even go with the division method. Like आप इसको 2 पे divide करके भी निकाल सकते हो. 2 4s are 8. So you can easily find these two factors, right? And for smaller numbers, it's really very easy to go with the multiplication method, or even you can go with the cancellation method. Okay? Okay. And 3 के table में तो 8 आता नहीं है. So 4 times 2 is giving you 8. Uh-oh. I know I have to stop here, right? So I will start finding the factors of 8. अब I know I need to write in order. It should be smallest to the greatest. So मैं यहाँ से नीचे को और यहाँ से ऊपर को लिखना शुरू करूँगी. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay. Now, next, I have to find the factors of 16. Start finding with 1 times 16 is 16. In table 2, 16 comes. आता है 16? कहाँ आता है? 2 times what? 2 times what? जल्दी से. 2 8s are. Very good. And in table 3, 16 नहीं 15 आता है. So we will go next. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. I told you one method कि where you need to stop. You need to stop जब आपको repeated number मिल जाए. Repeated number दो तरह से मिलते हैं. एक ऑर्डर आगे पीछे हो सेम नंबर हो और एक जब दोनों नंबर सेम हो. Here you can just observe you are getting 4 times 4. Both numbers are same. So it means you have calculated the all factors of 16. तो अब हम लिखते हैं all factors of 16. Factors of 16. So as you know we have to write in this order. ये नहीं भूलना आपने. Don't forget it, okay? I will write 1, 2, okay, 4. अब the question is 4 यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ से भी नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है. But you will write this 4 one time. Clear? Okay. Now 8 and then I will go and write 16. That's great. So now the main purpose, we have to find the common factors. How can we find the common factors? Common, similar, दोनों में same. Can you observe this one is common in both? Yes, exactly. And this 2 is common in both? Yes, exactly. And what about this 4? It's also common? Yes, it's common. And 8, it's also common, right? So it means 1 is common in both. I will write 1 time. 2 is common. I will write 2 once. And 4 is a common factor. And 8 is a common factor of number 8 and 16. Clear? Okay. We understand all about factors. Now we will understand about multiples. Multiples, so we are really familiar with this term. Tables क्या होते हैं? क्या होते हैं tables? Basically, when we are multiplying two numbers and we are getting a result, a product in a result, right? And normally they are natural numbers. Well, we will understand the concept of natural number in some other video. But right now, multiples are, what are multiples? If we are having two numbers, 2 times 3, again, I'm taking a same example. You can see the result is 6. That is multiple. Okay. If I'm writing, for example, I have a question, write the multiples of 6. ले जी मैं मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 लिखने जा रही हूँ. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 3 कर लेते हैं. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3. सो इन इजीएस्ट वे आई विल गो एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग द टेबल. ठीक है, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12 and so on. I'm not writing the whole, but I just want to make sure what does it mean. I want to pick a tool, but I can't. Okay. So it means this these numbers, these results are basically multiples. क्या है ये? Multiples. If question comes, write the first 4 multiples of 3. तो क्या लिखेंगे? 3 ones are 3, so you will write 3. 3 twos are 6, you will write 6. 3 threes are 9, you will write 9. And 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 12 will be a multiple of 3, right? If the question comes, write the first 10 multiples of. तो आप तब भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. You need to write down table. Table का answer, direct answer. चलिए एक example और कर लेते हैं. The question is, write the first 8 multiples of 2. So I know 2 ones are 2. Okay. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. And 2 eights are 16. As you know कि there is a gap of 2 only, तो आप वो खुद भी कर सकते हो, but still it is important to understand the concept. The result you are getting is a multiple, okay? So they are talking about, the question says find the first 8. वो ये नहीं कह रहा कि 8th multiple क्या होगा इसका. The question says find the first 8. तो आप order में first 8 लोगे, तो आपने ये सारे result, ये जो सारे result हैं, these are the multiples of 2. So in that case, I will write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. I hope the concept of multiple is clear, right? Challenging. We will understand the concept of common multiples. Common multiples similar to the common factors, but with the concept of multiples, okay? So multiples का मतलब क्या होता है? मल्टीपल्स तो ये होते हैं कि जब when you are multiplying two numbers and getting a product, तो basically multiple is a product of any two number, right? So let's have an example. We have, for example, the question says find the common multiple of 6 and 7. So first we need to write, let's find the common multiple of 6 and 7. To find the common multiple first, we need to find the multiples of 6 and 7 first. So we can write the multiples in this form also, or we can write the multiples directly in this form also. So I will write in both ways. Okay, let's take a start with table 6. So what is the table 6? 6 ones are, so I can even write it in this form. Multiples of 6. It is 6 times 1 is what? 6. As you know, multiple is a result of these two numbers. जो भी multiple होता है वो दो numbers का result होता है. It's not कि आप इन दोनों को as a multiple लिख रहे हो. Once you are writing the multiple of 6, so basically 6 times 1 is giving you 6. 6 इन दो numbers को multiply करके आ रहे हैं. That is important to write. And 6 times 2 is what? 12. 6 times 3 is what? 18. So basically these two numbers you will not write. You will write this number because it is a product of these two numbers. Okay. So I'm going to write the result only, product only. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. And 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. And 6 eights are 48. And so on. Now I will go and find or write the multiples of 7. Okay, now I will take a start writing the answers of table 7. Table 7. In easiest word, table 7. Okay, answers of. I will not write the whole table in this form. I will write the result of these products. So let's start writing. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49, and so on. Remember one thing, I put so on in a form of dots, small dots. It means what? It means multiples can never end. Multiples never end. आप इसको ये नहीं कह सकते factors की तरह कि ये अब हमने इतने निकाल लिए हैं. Because multiples are based on multiplication, तो आप 6 का मल्टीपल निकाल रहे हो तो 6 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 6 को किसी बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 6 को बहुत ही बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. तो मीन्स व्हाट? दे आर एंडलेस. तो हम क्या करते हैं, इफ इट इज नॉट गिवन कि कितने मल्टीपल्स निकालने हैं, तो हम नॉर्मली फर्स्ट 10 निकालते हैं, या तब तक निकालते हैं जब तक हमें कॉमन नंबर नहीं मिल जाता. कॉमन मल्टीपल, कॉमन नंबर. ठीक है. अब राइट नाउ यू कैन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व व्हाट नंबर इज कॉमन हियर. 6 एंड 6 तो यहाँ पर नहीं है, 12 भी मैचिंग नहीं है, नॉट 18, नॉट 24, यहाँ पे 28 है, नॉट 30, नॉट 35, नॉट 36. ओप्स, यस, हियर इट इज. तो 42 इज अ कॉमन इन बोथ. जब आपको 42 means any common multiple मिल जाए, तो it means you can stop finding the rest. अच्छा, क्या ये हमेशा हमने करना है? क्या हम हमेशा स्टॉप कर देंगे फाइंड करना? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अ क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है. अगर क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट में लिखा हुआ है कि फर्स्ट 10 मल्टीपल्स में से कॉमन निकालें, तो फिर यू हैव टू गो एंड राइट द फर्स्ट 10 मल्टीपल्स. तो राइट नाउ हमने अभी 6 के कितने मल्टीपल्स लिखे थे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 8. राइट. सो इसका मतलब है कि आपने जब क्वेश्चन में कुछ मेंशन ना हो, तो आपने फर्स्ट वाला कॉमन मल्टीपल निकला, तो यू कैन स्टॉप फाइंडिंग द नेक्स्ट वन. तो कॉमन मल्टीपल इज 42. दोनों में सेम है, तो इट मीन्स दैट इज 42. So I hope you can easily differentiate the concept, the number, factors and multiples. So I hope you can easily differentiate multiples and factors now.